I'm starting my self-pampering routine with foot bath. Foot bath relaxes the body and mind, so I'm starting with it. For that, I take a tub filled with water and lemon slices. I'm adding a butterscotch foot soak. I'm adding a spoon of this into the tub. I'm soaking my feet into it for 20 minutes. For nail polish, I choose a blue-based lavender color. I'm applying the Nykaa's WT 2-in-1 coat as my base. After it dries off, I'm applying the single coat of the Nykaa nail polish. To finish it off, I'm applying the Colorbar Sun Genius top coat. For fingernails, I'm doing the same procedure. Before I do my nails, I'm going to shave my hands. I'm using the Venus razor. First, I'm wetting my hands with water. Now I'm applying the Wow foaming face wash. I glide the razor against the direction of my hair growth. This is super easy that you can get rid of your unwanted hair in just few minutes. I'm cutting and shaping my nails. And here comes my little niece who wants to do my nails. I do the same procedure: base coat, polish and top coat. For my hair, I'm applying hair oil first. Now I'm going to prepare hair mask. I am adding 1 spoon of Herb Tonic aloe vera leaf powder. I am adding 1 spoon of Herb Tonic hibiscus flower powder. These powders are available on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. I am adding half a cup of curd. Curd moisturizes the air and softens it. I am breaking whole egg into it. I am adding whole egg for strengthening the roots. If you don't like egg yolk, you can also add the egg white. To know the full procedure on the air mask, I've done a separate video on it. The link is in the description. For face scrub, I'm taking a teaspoon of coffee powder. I'm adding a teaspoon of rose water to it. Do not add too much of rose water. Make sure the scrub should be thick in consistency and not too loose. In this clip, I'm applying the coffee scrub and massaging it all over. Coffee effectively removes blackheads and whiteheads. If you have clogged pores, this is the right choice. Try this scrub at least once, guys. You will definitely thank me. I leave this for 15 minutes, which also double up as a face mask. While that is resting, I scrub my lips with the Brandy as gentle lip scrub. After a minute, I remove it with a tissue. Now I am applying the Wild Organica Home Sugarcane Straw Ash Lip Mask. This is a decent lip mask. It looks black in color. I leave this for 10 minutes. Now you could see how my skin is glowing and looking clear. The coffee scrub has actually polished my skin, making it smooth, and it has actually polished my skin, guys. Polished is the right word for the coffee scrub, I would say. I hope you like my small self-pampering routine. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.